Imagine a willow tree near a river. If that river were to dry up, that willow, which is a water-loving species, will eventually die. And all of those stored nutrients go back into the system, and some new organism will exploit those, and our species, which may be more appropriate to that condition. It may be more drought resistant. This release, like I said, happens at multiple scales, and that's called a panarchy. A panarchy describes the way that systems are embedded in systems, and at each level, those systems are releasing and reorganizing. So a tree, for example, in a forest may fall down, and that disruption allows that larger ecosystem to make small adaptations to the environment. But if you isolate the tree and look at just the tree, perhaps a branch falls off. Or, for example, the leaves falling every year, which allows that release and reorganization. And the leaves that come in the next spring might be a different shape, a different color, because they're using information from their environment to make small-scale changes. And if you think of a complex ecosystem, there are all of these organisms that are autonomously changing and using information from its environment to make the changes necessary to survive. What we understand about ecosystems is that they strive to be the most diverse and complex possible, because that means it's more resilient to changes. So if a pest comes in, it won't wipe out a monoculture because there's so much diversity. That's what keeps an ecosystem resilient, is that constant release and reorganization and that cooperative competition, inciting competition and innovation, but at the same time supporting each other through resource sharing and information.